Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best kids' jewelry is probably one of the most exciting and cherished gifts you can give to a young girl, offering a touch of sparkle and a sense of grown-up style that can make any occasion feel extra special, from birthdays and holidays to everyday moments of joy and self-expression, allowing her to explore her personal taste and create lasting memories with pieces that she'll love to wear and show off. Number 5. PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings. Introducing the PinkSheep Little Girl Jewel Rings, a delightful set designed for imaginative play. These adjustable rings are perfect for your little one's dress-up adventures. Each ring in this collection is unique, ensuring endless variety for playtime. They are designed to be adjustable, fitting comfortably on little fingers. Let her imagination soar with these beautiful jewel rings. They are ideal for pretend play, tea parties, and creating magical moments. Elevate any dress-up session with these charming rings. They add a touch of sparkle and sophistication to any outfit. Looking for the perfect gift? These rings make a wonderful present for birthdays or Christmas, bringing joy and excitement. Crafted with care, these rings are safe for children and feature an adjustable design. This ensures a comfortable fit as they grow. What we like? If you're looking for a fun and affordable way for little ones to accessorize, these adjustable rings are a fantastic choice. They come in a variety of designs with no duplicates, ensuring each child gets a unique piece. This set is perfect for pretend play and makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it suitable for different ages. The charms are cute and well-made, and they don't feel cheap. The bracelet set comes with a variety of designs, offering good value. Number 4. Memory Building Unicorn Musical Jewelry Box. Open up a world of enchantment with this classic ballerina jewelry box. Its high-quality music mechanism plays a timeless waltz melody, perfect for little ones who adore classical tunes. A sturdy unicorn figurine is securely attached and gracefully twirls to the music. This durable construction is built to withstand enthusiastic play for years to come. This enchanting musical box makes a memorable gift for children ages 6 to 12. It's an ideal surprise for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion for kids who love unicorns and music. Measuring 7.3 by 5.1 by 4 inches, this organizer features 2-tier storage. It includes a ring holder, earring display, and a tray perfect for necklaces and other small treasures. Crafted from child safety tested, sturdy MDF wood with a glossy finish, this case offers superior durability. It's a long-lasting alternative to flimsy cardboard boxes. It features a precision-crafted steel mechanism with an easy-to-turn key designed for small fingers. Simply wind it up for dependable, battery-free operation that brings timeless charm. This cherished keepsake arrives in premium presentation packaging, thoughtfully protected. It ensures it reaches its destination beautifully for any special occasion. What we like? For a touch of magic and melody, this musical jewelry box is ideal. It plays a classic tune with a charming spinning unicorn, bringing a whimsical experience. If you're seeking a durable and beautifully crafted organizer for necklaces and bracelets, this is a perfect gift for children who love unicorns and music. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, which is great for growing kids. The charms are cute and colorful, and they don't seem to fade easily. The bracelet is sturdy and has held up well to daily wear. Number 3. PinkSheep Kids Classic Jewelry Sets. Looking for a special gift for a young girl? Our jewelry sets are a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. They are perfect for any occasion, from parties to everyday wear. These sets feature vibrant colors and charming flower designs, making them incredibly sweet and lively. They are perfect for matching with various outfits and sharing with friends. Get amazing value with this pack, which includes 6 sets of necklaces and bracelets. Everything comes beautifully packaged in a gift box, ready to delight any child. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly materials, these sets are safe and gentle. They are designed to be durable, easy to wear, and comfortable for little ones. Ideal for children aged 3 to 8, these adorable jewelry sets are perfect for party favors, dress-up, and themed events. They are a wonderful addition to any treasure box or DIY gift. What we like? If you need a bulk of charming accessories for parties or favors, this set of beaded necklaces and bracelets is a great option. It includes 6 complete sets in vibrant, trendy designs perfect for sharing. This is an excellent choice for birthday goodie bags or for toddlers and young girls who love to mix and match their jewelry. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it perfect for different ages. The bracelet set comes with multiple charms that can be easily swapped out. The jewelry is made of durable materials that hold up well to daily wear. Number 2. Eaciy Colorful Initial Necklaces. Introducing Eaciy's vibrant collection of initial necklaces, perfect for adding a personal touch to any outfit. These trendy necklaces feature colorful beads and a dainty letter charm, making them a stylish accessory for all ages. Looking for the perfect gift? These make wonderful presents for teen girls, women, and kids alike. The choker style is delicate and fashionable, designed to be a comfortable and eye-catching addition to your jewelry collection. Express yourself with a personalized initial necklace. It's a unique way to showcase your style or that of a loved one. Each necklace is crafted with care, ensuring a beautiful and durable piece of jewelry you'll love to wear. What we like. If you're looking for a personalized and stylish accessory, these colorful initial necklaces are a wonderful pick. They offer a trendy beaded design that's both delicate and eye-catching. This is a perfect gift for teen girls or anyone who loves a touch of personalized charm in their everyday wear. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it suitable for different ages. The charms are cute and well-made, and they don't feel cheap. The bracelet is sturdy and has held up well to daily wear. Number 1. Purple Ladybug Jewelry Box Craft Kit for Girls. Discover the ultimate DIY jewelry box craft kit designed for creative girls. It's an all-in-one package with everything you need to make something truly special. Inside, you'll find a beautiful wooden box, over 1,500 colorful gems, glue, and all the tools necessary. You can start creating your masterpiece right away. This kit is more than just a craft, it's a chance to design and personalize your own unique jewelry box. It helps build confidence and enhances fine motor skills through engaging art play. Looking for a thoughtful, screen-free gift? This DIY craft box is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for girls aged 6 to 12. It's a gift that brings joy and sparks imagination. This activity is perfect for quality time. Many families enjoy creating their sparkly jewelry boxes together, making it a wonderful bonding experience filled with fun and learning. Crafted with high-quality materials, this kit provides hours of entertainment. It keeps young artists focused and engaged, offering a satisfying and beautiful finished product. What we like. For a creative and engaging activity, this DIY jewelry box craft kit is outstanding. It provides everything needed to design and decorate a unique wooden box with over 1,500 colorful gems. If you're looking for a screen-free, bonding activity that encourages artistic expression for kids ages 6 to 12, this is a fantastic choice for a birthday or holiday gift. What people say. The necklace is adjustable, making it suitable for different ages. The bracelet set includes a variety of charms that can be easily swapped out. The jewelry pieces are made from durable materials that hold up well to daily wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.